In a dusty world, breathing heavy in despair. Every corner filled with particles floating in the air. But don't you worry, we got a team that's keen. Vacu-Man's the name, and we'll make your vents clean. Got dust, breathe easier, call out 'em right away. Vacu-Man's in town, we'll clear the way. From furnace to ducts, we'll make it pristine. Look, it's easier, call out 'em right away. Vacu-Man's in town, we'll clear the way. From furnace to ducts, we'll make it pristine. Look, it's easier, call out 'em right away. With 45 years of experience, we're the pros you need. A family-owned business that's dedicated, it indeed. Dry your vents clog, we'll fix it, no sweat. Say goodbye to dirt, have a breath of fresh air.